Okay.
So now where are we?
Huh?
Where are we?
I don't know where this is called. We're somewhere to eat.
Still flustered.
A little bit. Really? These restaurants are tourists?
Yeah. And once again, the general consensus is the same.
Yeah.
So I will be eating yet another double cheeseburger.
Oh, your heart is broken, right?
How many double cheeseburgers can a man eat in a week?
Well, you haven't had double cheeseburgers. Oh dear. Well, the listing, the status relationship thing for my secretary is she's in a relationship and it's complicated. Which means I'm going to be hearing all about it this coming semester. I'm very excited.
Technology is wonderful.
It makes me want to hurt myself. Yay, I'm finding out all this crap before it happens.
Even in the park. Still can't put the iPhones down, so
Yeah, that's both of us, because we're recorded.
I know it's both of us.
We gotta find something to do while we're eating.
Something to do while we're in Disney World.
Well, you've been staring
Something
at the
to
maps
do
all day.
while we're in staring at maps of the park,
Yeah.
so we can find places to go.
Yeah, because we weren't smart enough to grab one of those little pamphlet things.
You're checking on people you hate in Arizona.
I do not hate her.
Okay,
I just hate the drama that she brings along with her.
enthusiastically dislike.
The drama. I don't mind. I just don't like the drama. It's like I'm back in high school all over again. I like your technology. Why are they all apart?
I mean, I understand it's a theme park for children.
Yeah, but they shouldn't be allowed to do that. Because it pisses the rest of us off.
But it's a theme park for them.
Just before Dunhill.
It's a park for them.
That doesn't give them an excuse
I mean,
to be
we're-
fucking annoying. Okay, fine, be little brats and say they want all kinds of stuff and to get spoiled rotten and then go home and have everything change, yeah, but not just scream and make ridiculous noises and walk around the park and put cheese goo on my pants. On the freaking wall with some bastard kids, I'm sorry. Anyway.
When I was a kid, what were we doing?
We were over in... I don't remember where, but we were in the...
we were in Magic Kingdom.
Was it? Yeah,
We
it
were
was
in Magic Kingdom. We were in Magic
In the-
Kingdom by the Tiki Room.
Yeah,
And we were eating
on this wall.
on a wall in front of the Tiki Room because there was nowhere else to sit. And apparently some family from India
Yes.
decided they wanted to sit next to Naomi on the wall. And didn't exactly have very much control over their child. So
The child was eating Doritos and the cheddar sun chips. This made a wonderful combination of my genes.
it's like we couldn't have one kind of cheese. We had to have multiple kinds of cheese.
Yeah.
Just to piss Naomi off even more. I think the guy just decided to go,
Oh no, there is pretty girl. I guarantee you, if you get shears on her legs, she will be angry.
He did lots of video recording after that.
anyway, this beat ass JVC.
He still did video recording and his son was right
Beat ass piece of crap video camera.
But his son was like right here. So right here.
What?
Right here. And then he was videotaping over there, where you are. I swear it was in the frame.
It was the whole videotaping the family.
Right.
Oh, look, an American blonde. I must take a picture of this gorgeous beauty. Oh my goodness, look at her. This is truly a wondrous place, this Disney World.
Wow.
All my dreams have come true. Praise Shiva.
Sheba.
He literally had some serious issues and was just sitting there going,
Oh my god, it's Cinderella. It's her blonde hair.
Wrong princess.
I know. He doesn't know that.
Wrong princess.
He sees blonde hair. It's Disney World is Cinderella's place. Yeah, I know.
Mumbles under breath.
So we're at an impasse because on one hand we could go to Disneyland in California,
I have to see the castle one day.
but the problem is that if we go to Disneyland in California, we're in California. And California is bad.
It is the dreaded.
California is the most horrifying state in this entire freaking union next to New Jersey and New York. So, come here.
Yeah.
It's bigger and better anyway.
Well, yeah, but I want to see your castle. And I want to see her. Because she's not here. Bastard. All the shows, like all the late shows, Spectre Magic, doesn't even have her. It has the fairies in it. All 3 fairies.
Yeah, I don't understand that.
But
Why
no,
did
but
the
no,
why do the
we're-
fairies get a pass? Why do we have the fairies and we have what else do we have?
Fairies, Maleficent, the Crow.
Yeah, Maleficent is everywhere.
There she is. There's a dragon.
Of course, you did get the dragon at.
That was awesome.
I need to take that.
When's that next show?
I don't know.
Slacker.
Last time I said I knew when a show was, we ended up sitting there hearing the fireworks from inside the restaurant. Holiday hours versus regular hours. It's a freaking nightmare.
And then the wait staff is just so on their feet to get you out the door. Yeah, I need to go. 20 minutes later. Here's your check.
So we're leaving the counter after we pick our food up. And we're wondering, okay, we need lids for our drinks.
Yeah, so they don't
No
spill.
lids.
No.
No lids. Ask the guy, where are the lids? We need lids.
Don't have
Apparently
lids.
we don't have lids here because of the animals. Because I guess and the drinking straws are made out of paper.
They're paper. I know you said that you had a drinking straw that was out of paper. I understand what you're talking about. This is weird. Wrong. It should never ever be done again.
But see, here's the part that doesn't make any sense is you have other plastics that are the same exact kind of plastic. Let's see, we have, the dessert cups, for example. They have plastic lids
And the
for
bottom.
dessert cups that are the same kind of plastic, same size, and your apples. But we can't have lids for our drinks.
No. Because they'll accidentally ingest them.
We're gonna leave here. And where are we going?
Well, we still have a fast pass for Expedition Everest between
Another one.
155.
We're gonna get on the ride 3 freaking times.
The 3rd time today. Okay, so it's 12:21. We have over an hour-ish until we use Fast Pass, and then we're hopping park. There's children. Why are there always children?
Because we're at Disney World.
Why is the rum always?
Sparrow was good yesterday.
Yes, he was. That was a lot of fun. Then he ran past me doing his typical Captain Jack Sparrow rants and just
Fag run.
No, it's Jack Sparrow.